Hello and welcome to CIA News Analysis, where we apply the info warrior mindset and worldview to the financial news. Thank you for your support. Hey guys, well today in the fake mainstream news propaganda, false reality of cryptocurrency and finance, we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin obituaries, which now Bitcoin has been announced by the mainstream media, announced dead 336 times. That's right, the most recent announcement coming from fairly well-known financial publication Seeking Alpha. The eulogist, Mr. Anthony Garcia, has this to say: Bitcoin is literally worth nothing. Well, that's wrong. Bitcoin is literally worth $4,137.21 approximately. So, Mr. Garcia, I'm sorry I don't want to read your weekend blog, but I think I will take a look at some of the real crypto news and somebody's opinion who might be worth just a little bit more than yours. Who's this? Oh, hey, Mr. Peter Thiel backs 2.1 million round for crypto investment startup Layer 1. And just in case you didn't know who that was, PayPal co-founder, that's right, Peter Thiel, PayPal co-founder, the man who changed money on the internet, is now investing in Bitcoin, is now investing in cryptocurrencies, is bullish on cryptocurrencies and blockchain as a technology. PayPal co-founder and noted venture capitalist Peter Thiel has backed the 2.1 million seed round for crypto investment startup Layer 1. Other investors include digital currency group, institutional investor Jeffrey Tarrant, and more. The Layer 1 co-founder had this to say: cryptocurrencies as open source protocols offer the unprecedented opportunity for companies to meaningfully add value. This is fundamentally different from the possibilities available in traditional asset classes. That's absolutely right. Blockchain as a technology and blockchain as a currency are a digital asset class that brings something to the table that no other traditional asset class can bring, and for that reason, we see great minds and investors like Peter Thiel investing in cryptocurrency, investing millions into Bitcoin, because they know that the future economy is going to be based on blockchain as a technology, and after that infrastructure is built, blockchain as a currency. Western Union considers crypto, partners with Ripple to test blockchain payments. The president of Western Union Global Money Transfer has claimed the company is ready to adopt any kind of currency, potentially including cryptocurrencies. He stated there is no difference between cryptocurrencies and regular digital payments, the likes of which Western Union has been handling for years. He believes that the firm's long-term stance makes it potentially ready to launch any type of currency, including blockchain-based ones. He says, quote, "We already operate with 130 currencies. If one day we feel that is the right strategy to introduce cryptocurrencies to our platform, technology-wise, it's just one more currency. I think cryptocurrencies may become one more option of currency or assets around the globe to be exchanged between people and businesses. If that happens, we would be ready to launch." Earlier in the article, we also see that the president of Western Union believes, and he thinks that in order to achieve mass adoption, cryptocurrencies have to solve problems with volatility, governance, and compliance. Yeah, absolutely. And that's what we see BACT working on right now with institutional regulation, trying to get that approved by the CFTC and move the market forward. And then we look in other parts of the market. SEC regulations not suitable for crypto. U.S. lawmakers aim for digital asset clarity. So we see this happening. People are working on regulation. People are working on policies. People are working on getting this stuff moved forward so that blockchain as a technology can begin to capture market, and then after that infrastructure is built, we'll see blockchain as a currency come in and really take over. It says a pair of U.S. lawmakers are looking to bridge the gap between the crypto community and fuzzy regulation. Rep. Warren Davidson of Ohio and Darren Soto of Florida have introduced the Token Taxonomy Act, which would essentially remove cryptocurrencies from the securities discussion. And this is a great point because right now, that's one of the issues. The SEC says it's a security. The CFTC says it's a commodity and regulates it as such. The IRS says it's property. FINRA says it's currency. So we're coming all over the map from every different angle that you possibly could here in the US. So we can start to cross out these multiple choice answers until we finally get the bubble they want to fill in. so that we can move forward with the regulation that's needed for the mass adoption. But right now, the price points are suffering because the demand is suffering, because the speculation on the use of that is what we're questioning right now. But for us who see the future economy and we see all these headlines, and hey, you know, if you want to go hang out with Anthony Garcia and talk about how Bitcoin is literally worth nothing, you go right ahead. But I'm going to hang out with people like Ron Paul, Jeff Berwick, Peter Thiel, who are putting their money where their mouth is and putting their money where their businesses are going, which are businesses that drive our economy and are going to drive the economy to the future economy, which is digital, with the combination of blockchain as a technology, blockchain as a currency, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things. So this is great. The ball is rolling forward. Government bodies are legislating, making decisions. They're crossing out multiple answers, and it's a slow roll. It's a painstaking roll, but it's all part of the process, and it will most likely work out perfect in the timing of the next market cycle, which I'll talk about more in an upcoming special report that I'm calling Cryptonomics. Lastly, we see that Coinbase launches program to educate users about crypto beyond Bitcoin. And we see here that major United States-based crypto wallet provider and exchange service provider Coinbase has launched an educational project that lets users earn cryptocurrency as they learn about it. The program, dubbed Coinbase Earn, was most recently announced. It says one of the biggest barriers preventing people from exploring a new digital asset was lack of knowledge about that asset. Many of the people we surveyed expressed a strong desire to begin learning about new and different crypto assets beyond Bitcoin, but didn't know where to begin. Well, this is encouraging because here at CIA, we exist because we want to empower you. We want to encourage you and drive you in the right direction to make the right investment decisions for you and your family. And it all starts with the information, because this is an information war, and you must be an info warrior and go after the good, solid information and pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. Pay no attention to the fake mainstream news media who are peddling propaganda. Well, here at CIA, we're really excited about this, and we're excited that Coinbase sees the opportunity to launch an educational program, because here at CIA, we are in the process of creating D-Finance. Join a community that wants to empower you, that has the info warrior mindset, D-Finance, which is, of course, a combination of the words defy and finance. And at D-Finance, we want to empower our members to defy the financial norms and survive and thrive. Thank you for joining us on CIA News Analysis, and thank you for your support.